Evet, odayı aldık. Şimdi gidiyoruz.
Yes.
Neymiş oda numaramız? 1650. 1650. Şimdi odaya gidiyoruz. Sveta bize her zaman olduğu gibi odayı anlatacak.
Yes, we already put there our clothes. We didn't explain yet about the room. We will show you all details.
Videoyu beğenmeyi ve yorum yapmayı lütfen unutmayınız. Kanala abone olmadıysanız haydi şimdi abone olalım. Evet, Sultan Sveta.
Svetlana Hanım.
Svetlana Hanım. Svetlana Hanım merhabalar.
Merhabalar, Süleyman Bahadır. Süleyman Bahadır. Sultan Bahadır tabii ki. Herkese merhabalar. Size deneyimi kanalımıza hoş geldiniz. Welcome to our travel experience channel and welcome to Royal Holiday Palace. Welcome to our room. We will explain you details. Please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to follow our Instagram. And if you have any questions, you can write in comments. Hoş geldiniz. This is our room. I can tell at once that this hotel is not about simple is the best. This hotel is palace, saray. That's why the style is like that. The room is rather large, but of course in palace style. So you can see different colors and carpet, but I think the room is normal. It's okay. Just maybe they will make some renovation later, they will change style, because I don't remember carpets in new hotels. People try to get off of them because a lot of people have allergy and carpet is not suitable. Here is double bed and one single bed, so if you are two adults, or for example if you are with child, the child or third adult will sleep on normal bed, not this rolled way up, something like that. So big zone. Oh, here, bak.
Orası ne Sveta? Otur bakalım oraya.
But this is your place.
For working.
Sultan Bahadır. Sultan Bahadır çalışıyor. Okay, kind of working zone. Just for one person, but of course somebody in family should work, somebody rest. What to do? Here we have kettle. Here we have big bowl of water. We have tea, we have instant coffee, and we have mini bar. Mini bar is non-alcoholic. We have Pepsi. A kind of Fanta, but of course not Fanta. Water, several small waters, mineral water and juice. Meyve suyu. This is one maybe for women because big mirror. I can take. This is table anyway. I can do my maquillage, makeup like that. Yes, a little bit old-fashioned. TV I didn't see for a long time, but I don't care about TV, we don't watch TV. Better let's look at our view. Here is balcony, rather large, I can say. Here we can sit, speak, drink something, and direct sea view. So this is not our territory, by the way. This is territory of another hotel. But we can see the sea. The territory of our hotel we will show you from lobby bar.
Bak so, böyle balkon böyle gidiyor yani bu arada.
Yes, yes.
Ha buradan diğer oteli görüyoruz bak. Bak swimming pool var orada. Neyse bizimle alakası yok.
Good. We should show bathroom, right? So I like spacious rooms. Yeah, a little bit
old-fashioned.
Old-fashioned, but in palace style. But I think when they will make renovation, they can create something more fashionable. Do you like gold? Ooh. I like much gold, but not in the interior. Okay, anyway, we have stickers. By the way, good, not bad. This is towels. This is towels. We don't have bathrobes, I think. Yes, we don't have bathrobes. Yes, also in new hotels usually you can see the shower, but here if you like to take bath you have this opportunity. And here is toilet, but also with advantage, because maybe somebody wants. Here you can close the door and you don't see the person there. There is some cosmetics, some stuff for ladies. Hair conditioner, shampoo, body lotion, shower gel and soap. Why you see so group? Because this is not single hotel. The room is, by the way, it's cleaned, everything is okay, it's not dirty. I don't see something is spoiled, something is broken. Just style is not for everybody, I can say. Yes, also we can show, here is additional pillow. Here you can put your clothes, we already put here. Of course, safe box, stuff for shoes, package for laundry. Usual standard room, but I like that it's not small, and also we have perfect sea view.